To make a good impression on a date, it's important to be polite, friendly, and engage in enjoyable conversation. Keep the mood light and fun by asking questions, telling funny stories, and offering compliments. Practice good hygiene to ensure bad breath, body odor, or wardrobe issues don't detract from the experience. Show good table etiquette by using utensils properly, using your napkin, chewing with your mouth closed, and keeping your elbows off the table. Avoid distractions by putting your phone away and giving your date your full attention. Accept compliments graciously and offer a compliment in return. Be prepared to pay on a date or to split the bill, and always offer to pay for the next activity if your date insists on paying. Engage in back and forth conversation by asking questions about your date. Share jokes or funny stories to bond and make your date feel comfortable. Avoid awkward topics and don't share anything too personal before getting to know each other better. Freshen your breath, shower, and use deodorant before the date. Dress in an outfit that makes you feel comfortable, confident, and reflects your personality.